You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
Now that you understand what permanent trim lighting is, let's go over some of the major brands in the industry and how they have developed over time. Permanent trim lighting has been around for over a decade, with brands like Minleon being among the earliest in the industry. Over the years, more companies such as Jellyfish, Gemstone, Oleo, InvisiLights, and InvisiLights have entered the market, refining the technology and expanding customization options. Omni is one of the newer brands, bringing additional innovations to the industry. While each brand has its own unique features, they all serve the same purpose: a low-profile, permanent LED lighting system that blends into a building's trim and is controlled through a smart system. Most brands offer app-based control, allowing users to adjust colors, brightness, and effects. Some systems provide advanced lighting animations, while others focus on simplicity, but all are designed to be weather-resistant, energy-efficient, and long-lasting. Power and control options can vary as well. Some systems run on low-voltage setups, like 12 volts or 24 volts, while others use 48 volts for larger installations. Most brands rely on Wi-Fi-based controls, while some also offer hardwired or cloud-based options for additional reliability. Regardless of the brand, the goal of permanent trim lighting is the same: a durable, customizable lighting solution that provides year-round use for homes and businesses. Now that we've covered the basics of the industry and its major brands, let's move on to Module 2, Parts and Tools You'll Use, where we'll go over the key components that make up a permanent trim lighting system.